we'll guide you through how to run Linux in Docker. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure your Docker desktop application is running in the background. Next, open PowerShell or your preferred terminal application. You need to pull the 𝗟𝗚𝗏 image to your machine, so execute the docker pull command for the latest 𝗟𝗚𝗏 release. You can easily replace that latest 𝗟𝗚𝗏 image with another operating system image if you prefer, such as the latest Ubuntu or Alpine versions. Create and start your new container by executing a docker run command that opens an interactive terminal, assigns the custom name 𝗟𝗚𝗏𝗘 to the container, selects the latest 𝗟𝗚𝗏 image, and automatically launches a bash shell inside. Press the Enter key to instantly enter the 𝗟𝗚𝗏 shell environment. Inside this environment, update the internal package database by running the pacman update command, including the flag that automatically confirms all prompts. Once done, install common development tools by running another pacman installation command, again automatically confirming the prompts to add the base development package, Git, and the nano text editor to your system. From this point forward, run standard Linux commands normally inside the container. When you are finished exploring, simply type the word exit and press Enter to leave the container. If you want to jump back in later, restart and reattach to the same container by using the docker start command with the interactive flags, targeting your 𝗟𝗚𝗏𝗘 container. List all of your containers on the system, including stopped ones, by running the standard docker process status command with the all flag. When you no longer need it, remove the container from your system by using the docker remove command on 𝗟𝗚𝗏𝗘. Finally, if you want to free up disk space on your computer, remove the 𝗟𝗚𝗏𝗘 image by using the docker remove image command for the latest 𝗟𝗚𝗏𝗘 release.